Hi, my name is Peter Juncker. I'm an affiliate by Bannersbroker, and I've been that since September 2012. Before I joined Bannersbroker, I didn't have any experience about affiliate marketing. But, uh, you know, like anyone else who's jumping onto something new, I was of course a bit scared. What is this? What is going on? But I made a decision and joined Bannersbroker. And looking back those past 12 months, I'm not regretting 1 minute of those past 12 months. It's been in such a skyrocket experience. I'm now able to be a self-employed person running my business from my home, meaning that I'm able to look after my kids when they come home from school. And, I cannot ask for more. But, talking about the past, I can of course not speak about the future, but I'm looking into a very bright future for myself and my family. And that's all thanks to Bannersbroker and the great opportunity they have given to me and my family. So I would like to thank you all at Bannersbroker for putting this wonderful program together and giving me the possibility to have a company based on the internet. So, I cannot thank you more enough for what you have done for me. So that was all from Peter Juncker in Denmark, Europe. Thank you and goodbye.